Hello, Rami. How are you doing? Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Great. So, hello, everyone. This is Chakit back again, 5 p.m. like every day, back again with another set of questions which we can cover in this live, be it from you guys or what we think that you should know before you can plan your journey for studying in Australia. So, since we know that there are top universities which are available in Australia, and group of eight are the universities which are among the top 100 universities of the world. So, you guys can go and study in those top universities, and these are from Australia, of course. So, all these universities have a lot of specializations like your business courses, engineering courses, and all different type of courses. So Sudha ma'am, being our Australia expert, Australia counselor, she has helped thousands of students with her knowledge about Australia. So she's among us today to share her knowledge about Australia. So over to you, Sudha ma'am. If you can just introduce yourself and then we'll just take it forward.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Sudha. I'm your senior counselor at VAC Global for Australia. So today our topic will be a group of 8 universities. What are these universities? What are the entry requirements? What are the courses available? Like the part-time opportunities and all. If you have any questions, you can post down in the live chat so that we are very happy to answer your queries.
Perfect. And we are also going to discuss some particular topics like if distance education is accepted in group of eight or not, how much gap will they accept, what is GT and how to clear the GT if you are going especially for group of eight, or even if there will be any GT interview or not. So all these topics will be covered thoroughly in this session. So watch it till the end so that if you are one of the aspirant who wants to study in Australia, all your doubts can get cleared up. So welcome to today's live. So where shall we start it from, ma'am?
Okay, I will let you know some briefing about the Geo8 universities, what are the universities and all, then we can continue our discussion going forward. So these group of 8 universities are the top eight Australian universities, and their ranking would be under 100 worldwide. So these universities have a long history and well-developed research focus. Uh, now let me say each state in Australia has a group of 8 university. Like we have University of Melbourne, University of Monash University in Victoria State. We have University of Sydney and University of New South Wales in New South Wales State. So instead of taking the names of the states, I'll just list the universities. So we have Uni Melbourne, University of Sydney, University of Queensland, Australian National University, Monash, University of New South Wales, University of Western Australia, and University of Adelaide. So coming to the states individually, we will discuss on each of the university. So coming to the state of Western Australia, which has the capital of Western Australia is Perth, and UWA, University of Western Australia, is one of the G8 university over there. And it is ranked around 100, less than 100 worldwide. So when it comes to the University of Adelaide, which is in South Australia, the capital of South Australia is Adelaide. And there are few advantages of studying in these G8s as well. So when we take South Australia state, the whole state is a regional state. So yeah, regional state, and you have the benefits of studying in regional state if you choose
So we will,
University of Adelaide.
what we will do, I'm just writing it down so that in the middle we can discuss somewhere about the regional areas also, and what are the advantages of studying at regional areas.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, please continue. Sorry.
Okay. Next we have in the state of Victoria, whose capital is Melbourne. We have two GA group of 8 universities, University of Melbourne and Monash University. If we speak about University of Melbourne, it is ranked 33 worldwide on an average, and Monash University is one of the university which is there in Melbourne, where it also, see, these all the universities which are ranked under 100 worldwide. Then we have, when it comes to the New South Wales state, whose capital is Sydney, and we have University of Sydney and University of New South Wales over there. And in the Queensland state, we have University of Queensland. And one top university, which is in Australian capital city area, Canberra, where like in that capital region, the Australian National University, which is also a top ranked university. So coming to the entry requirements of these universities, the IELTS for any postgraduate program, which like if we take about engineering, business, and IT fields, it will be 6.5, no band less than 6. If there are any other science courses which is involved in more of public interaction like education, psychology, or any medicinal courses, these require a higher requirement of IELTS, which will be around 7.5. That depends on the university. The minimum eligibility criteria for Geo8 university is 65 to 70% if we are studying in the level 1 category of the universities under the user guidelines. We do have excellent scholarship opportunities for these universities as well. And if you are going to study an undergraduate course in these of the universities, then your percentage should be at least 85% of or above if we are choosing the state boards of particular universities. And sorry, sir, you're asking.
No, it's okay. Please continue.
When it comes to the Monash University, initially when a student is applying for bachelor's, there are 5 states in India where they can go directly to the bachelor's. Rest of states, like out of the 28 states, we have 5 states: Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and West Bengal. These 5 boards, if the student is from these 5 state boards, then he can go directly to the bachelor's program. Rest all states, they have to go a diploma which is leading to bachelor. So an extra diploma they have to study for 1 year.
Really? It's a very interesting point. I never knew about it. So which all universities are these? Sorry, which all states are?
States. Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Maharashtra.
So why only these students, they can go directly to bachelor's, not the others?
That is up to the standard of education in these states is recognized by Monash University. Only for Monash, this is the criteria.
Okay, this is so precise that we need to be make sure that university
if these boards of student comes, then they can go directly to the bachelor's.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, please continue.
So now coming to the scholarships part, open universities, that one question which you asked previously. Open universities, most of the universities, they won't accept that as an eligible course which they study from the open universities or from the distance education.
What if like which are those which will accept? Is there anyone which will accept?
No, mostly the answer would be no.
So 100% universities in Australia will not accept open learning.
The open
Sorry.
universities here.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
most of the universities don't accept the open universities, so it's not encourageable to do. By showing as a gap fulfillment, they can show, but yeah, that is not eligible
they,
for
they will be considered
considered as an eligible.
education.
Sorry, sir.
I'm saying they don't consider it as education. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Did not
Yeah.
know. So,
And yeah, coming to the documents required for your admission process in group of 8 university of any university.
hmm.
So if you are going for bachelor's program, then your 10th, 12th, your resume, your passport, and your scorecard are the main things which we will apply to the university along with an application form. So once you get an offer, see, even if you fulfill all the conditions as well, there will be you will be receiving a conditional offer where the condition will be GTE condition.
Okay.
GT condition can be an interview or a GT form to be filled and the financials part. Usually, most of the G8 group of 8 universities don't ask the student to produce for the financials. Student can directly go for the free payment. Like if he fulfills the eligibility criteria, he will be getting a unconditional offer. But on a safer side, we will ask the student to arrange all the financials because we need to upload it in the immigration portal when we are applying for the visa.
Any
So
which
we
way,
have
any which ways these students should have their financial.
have these documents ready. Suppose if the immigration asks, we have to produce it immediately. So we need to check the genuinity of the student as well. So we will collect these documents.
Otherwise, if you're going for a group of 8 university, you can directly pay the fees and go and study there. Is that how it works?
Yeah, they mention like we can pay the fee. There is nothing as such like it will be shown like you need to produce the financials and all. But on a safer side of the university, sometimes once in a while, if it asks for the student, so
Hmm.
we have to produce it immediately. So yeah, we keep everything in hand.
Okay. Okay.
And coming to the postgraduate, this thing. So if a student is a recent passed out, then his 10th, 12th, bachelor's, all memos. If he don't get his consolidated marks memo and provisional, it will be fine. That works it works like the condition will be there in the offer letter, so he can produce once he receives it. And other than that, if a student has a gap, eligible, like it should be like he need to produce the gap documents, the justification documents. If he's working, he has to produce the pay slips, the offer letter, the ideas, uh, and if he has done some courses, the require like what are the certificates that are pertaining to the course that he has studied. These documents he has to produce. So yeah, gap can be accepted up to 4-5 years, but yeah, the documents has to be produced why there is a gap, whether he's working or he's doing any courses or he's studying something. What or all the justified documents he has to produce, he have to give it to the university.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So yeah, coming to the like part-time job opportunities. See, even if a student is working, studying in a group of 8 university or level 1 or level 2 universities, the student, as per the immigration rules, is he can legally work up to 40 hours per fortnight.
Okay.
So yeah, from day one he can work legally, and in the vacation he can work full time.
So
Support his
can you please explain this point when you say 40 hours fortnightly? So in rest of the countries it says 20 hours per week, but Australia says 40 hours fortnightly. So what is the difference between the two?
when we hear that it looks the same, but if any country says it's 20 hours per week, after a week is completed, even the student uses it or not, the 20 hours will be lapsed. But here here it is like in this week the student has some assignments or he has some examinations where or he's not well to go for a part-time. So this 40 hours he can complete in the rest of the week. So he can distribute his 40 hours in any which ways he requires.
Okay, great. I've got a question from one of the student. He's asking, I have completed Bachelor's of Engineering Civil in 2019, and I have been working in construction field. Then with experience letter in last 6 months, bank statement enough, or bank statement from 2019 is required?
Sorry. So can you please repeat the question? He has done his bachelor's in civil and he's working for construction site.
Yeah, so he has been working in construction field with the experience letter, and last 6 months statement is enough, or he required the bank statement from 2019 itself?
No, see, as you have the work experience, you can just give 3 months pay slips and 6 months bank statement. That would be fine. Okay, because your offer letter has the date you have been joined, right? So that should not be a problem.
Yeah. So Ritesh, be it any country, be it Australia, New Zealand, UK, Canada, US. So most of the companies, they look for your joining letter, your experience letter, your salary slips, and bank statement, which is all latest. So joining letter can be like from 2019 or 20. And then if you're continuously working with that particular company and you'll provide 3 to 6 months of bank statement with your salary slip, I think that should be okay for each and every country. So which university have you shortlisted, Ritesh? Is it in Australia or you're planning to go somewhere else?
So
You can write it in the chat section. And in the meanwhile, we are getting a lot of
yeah,
more. Yes.
yeah. So when Ritesh, if you are producing the offer letter, please make sure that the email ID which is mentioned is in the company's domain name, not in the personal email IDs like Gmail or Yahoo, because the university sends a verification mail to the to your office to check whether your offer letter is genuine or not. And second thing is for your course, if you are planning to go in the same stream of civil engineering, you have wide ranges of courses in Australia. Like you can go to structural engineering, transportation, civil construction management. There are certain courses that you can go, which has good universities have that courses, and you have a lot of scope of the completion of your master's as well. So yeah, if you are really interested, please get in touch with us so that we will give you wide range of opportunities in whatever the state you have, because the Australian High Commission also increased the post-study stays for the international students. So take a benefit of this opportunity and apply as soon as possible for the next coming intakes.
Perfect. So waiting for you to, okay, I want to do Masters in Construction Project Management from University of Adelaide.
Yeah. So that is one of the good universities, a group of 8 university, and also one more advantage is you're studying in a regional state where you have, you will have extra benefits and extra points for your further career over there. So yeah. And University of Adelaide, you have excellent scholarships as well. You have 15 to 30% fee reduction based on your percentage and all. If you get in touch with us get in touch with us, I'll explain you like what are the which you are eligible for based on your previous study. And I will we'll let you know what are all the benefits that you will be getting if you apply for University of Adelaide.
Perfect. So if you have not yet applied, then you guys can get in touch with us and we can help you out. Next question is from Alka. She's asking BTech or Bachelor's of Science, CSC 2+2 program available. So like, I think I'm not really sure what exactly is she asking, but can you guess what is she asking about BTech?
Maybe she is thinking to apply for a bachelor's program. She's asking whether engineering program or any twinning programs like what we have here, like bachelor's and master's combined program will be available. Yeah, that will be available. You can get in touch with what you have studied in your 12th, what are your main streams, so that we can explain you what are your eligible courses, like which board you have studied in 12th and all. If you give us this information, accordingly, we will shortlist and give it to you and will process your application. Yes, these are available.
Great. So, Alka, if you are still deciding between the two, then you guys can get in touch with us. We can help you out with the same. So all the counseling is online, free of cost. Take as much time as you want. We will share all the knowledge what we have. Next is she's asking computer science engineering, 2 year India and 2 years abroad. Okay.
Yeah, this we have the credit transfer facility as well for most of the universities. This is called advanced standing, where they'll reduce the credits based on your previous studies, what you have studied, and the credit transfer can be done. Yeah, please get in touch with us for more information.
Perfect. And I've got another one from Ritesh again. Am I eligible in this university with CGPA of 7.02, 4 backlogs and IELTS 6.5, not less than 6?
Yes, you will be eligible.
Yes, Ritesh. So I think the eligibility criteria is quite clear. And since you have got 70% plus almost CGPA, you must be eligible for some scholarship also. And then
Scholarships as well.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
and there will be no separate application for the scholarship. Once you start your application process with the application, the admission team will assess whether you will be eligible for scholarship or not, and they will give you the scholarship. So based on your percentage that you are saying, yeah, you will be eligible for the fee reduction scholarship.
So this construction project management is available for November intake, ma'am, or is it available only for February?
It is for February intake. So November intake is a very small intake wherein only a few IT business programs will be and management programs will be available.
40 में से कोई तो यूनिवर्सिटी होगी ना जो शायद ले लेगी. तो even like it depends from what student wants. So for example, Ritesh, he wants to go for November intake. So we can figure out which all.
Right, yeah. I think university has a construction management that will be available for November intake. Yeah, we need to check and
Perfect. So Ritesh, even if you are planning for this intake, so we can help you out. Otherwise, Feb तो है ही है. Feb का कोई problem ही नहीं है. Alka is saying yes, credit transfer program, BTech or BS Computer Science. Which university offer this program? Canada or Australia?
Australia, you can go for advanced standing. You have to give your the previous studied mark sheet over there, so they will check whether it matches your credit, their credits, and they will reduce the credits and give.
I think she's asking like, is this the question? What do you want to ask? That ऐसी कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं इंडिया में जिनका डायरेक्ट टाइप है ऑस्ट्रेलिया की यूनिवर्सिटी से या कनाडा की यूनिवर्सिटी से, जिसमें कि 2 साल आप यहाँ पढ़ो और बाकी के 2 साल आप कनाडा या ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पढ़ो? इज दैट व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग? If you can just write it down, Alka.
Yeah, please ask your question clearly so that we will be able to help you out.
Yeah. So a lot of counseling is basically about active listening and actively telling what exactly you want, so that the counselor also are able to understand that what is the specific thing what you're looking for, and we would be able to guide you more precisely. So how was your experience, ma'am? Is this what happens with a lot of students, that they are not able to tell exactly what they are asking for?
What they want, see, if they are clear, like what course they wanted to go, what are the percentages and all. So that will be easy for the counselor to exactly shortlist. The list should be crisp so that it goes in one go. Otherwise, the application process will be delayed by us only thinking of what course to go, not able to decide on what to go and all. So see, when you are planning to go for any this thing, like any course, suppose you're going for some civil, you are from civil background, you wanted to go for civil courses, or you're from mechanical background, you wanted to go for mechanical related courses. You ask your counselor, like, this is my intention, I've done my bachelor's in this stream. I wanted to explore more options in the stream, the same stream, so that it will be easy for the counselor to assess, okay, these are the courses she will be eligible for, and to give the list. So if you see, if you are telling what you wanted to do very diplomatically, then it will be difficult for the counselor, and the time passes on changing the list of universities, the courses and all. So
Correct.
to have a smooth flow, be clear to your counselor what you wanted to go. Accordingly, they will guide you.
Perfect, perfect. So she's saying that no, I'm asking which university offer this program only abroad. So, masters, so BTech of computer science and bachelor's of science in computer science engineering. I think this is available pretty much all the universities.
All the universities, it will be eligible.
Hmm.
But whatever the course you choose, better you go for choose course accordingly. It should be minimum 2 years, because to be eligible for the post study work rights, the student has to study a course which is at least 2 years of duration, whether it is PG or master's program.
Hmm.
So yeah, to avail that post study work rights, please choose a program wisely which is of 2 years duration.
Perfect. Now, I think it's the like it says mother Alka ma'am. So she's saying that my son studying BTech CSC first year in India wants to transfer third year credit transfer program. So I think he must be in his first or second year in India and he wants to take the transfer. So which you already answered that it is possible. So credit transfer is definitely possible, and they will give you the credit based on the studies which you have already done in India, and they will give you advanced standing there
Yeah.
in Australia.
And see, one thing I wanted to tell you clearly, ma'am, as you said, your son studied only first year here. So
Hmm.
he might have here first year in India is common for all the branches of the students. So in that case, only 1 or 2 credits might be waived off, and others he has to study. So that is one thing I wanted to tell you clearly. Before that, if he has studied first year and another one semester of the second year, then more credits can be waived by the advanced standing this thing. But first year is common for all the branches in India. So yeah, 1 or 2 basic courses can be waived off.
Perfect, perfect. So I have shared the link with you in the chat section. If you want more in-depth knowledge about credit transfer and what all universities and everything else, you can just simply get in touch with us, ma'am. You're more than welcome. Now, Ritesh is asking, I'm planning for Feb 24 and I have one query regarding loan. US Embassy is accepting education loan from HDFC Credila. Actually, they are not accepting education loan from cooperative or local banks. This is exactly the same thing we were discussing today earlier about education loan and the FD from the local banks. So please
Yeah.
share some light on it. Your voice is cracking, ma'am. So guys, I think there's some connection problem. Am I audible? Guys, if you could just write yes in the chat section, it will be helpful for me to know. Yes, I am audible. Perfect. So I think Sudha ma'am is not on the line at the moment. There might be some technical issue. But Ritesh, generally all the like I'll just share the list of the university.
I'm
Like
so sorry that. Yeah.
no problem, ma'am. Yeah, welcome back.
HDFC Credila, they will be accepting. because it is, sub branch of HDFC Bank. So what you have to speak to them clearly before applying to loan from HDFC Credit Life. See, if other nationalized banks, they will accept the disbursement like one semester wise, but HDFC Credila, they usually ask for full disbursement. So kindly check with your bank officials because yeah, most of the universities will ask full disbursement if you are applying for HDFC Credila.
Also, it says that University of Adelaide, all A grade commercial banks are accepted for University of Adelaide.
So usually when you're going for any education loan or something, please go for a nationalized bank so that will be easy for your process as well, easy for the immigration as well. And one more thing is when you are giving a loan letter or savings letter, the financial related documents, also attach official email ID and the mobile number of the bank manager. See, if you're showing all the funds from a single bank, then from that manager, or else you are showing funds from different, some from HDFC, some from ICICI, some from other bank. Mention them because universities will definitely send a verification mail stating that like about the genuinity of the funds, like the student has produced this document, kindly confirm whether this is from your bank or not. University, each and every university will send. So before they ask if we attach the ID card of some, the visiting card or something, or even give the mail ID and the mobile number of the bank official, that will be well and good because your GT process delays, you also, when you are speaking to your bank manager, please say that whenever the university sends a mail about the genuinity of these funds, please to reply immediately so that will not delay my GT process.
Perfect. Yeah. So this is HDFC Credit is ready for disbursement of full amount. Yeah, Videsh,
Then you can definitely go for it.
Perfect.
Only HDFC Credila they accept, not any other Empower, Avant, these all no. Only HDFC Credila has that one benefit.
Perfect. So if you want to apply with us, the link is in the description, also in chat section. We can help you out with the entire process.
Entire process, we will be there till you get your visa. We will be helping with all the how to produce the financial documents, what are the documents required for the visa application process, your financial, your medicals and all. We will be guiding until you get your visa. Okay. So yeah, please to make use of this opportunity as we are not charging anything for the processing as well. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. So all these services are absolutely free of cost. No charges to you guys. Do we have anything else to discuss, ma'am? Have we covered all the points for today's session?
Yeah, we covered all the points. Yeah. So if you are ready with the documents, if you have not given IELTS or given IELTS, please apply for the conditional offer and work on the other things. See, once you get an offer, you can work on the financial simultaneously instead of waiting for the IELTS scorecard, then apply for the offer, then go for the financials. So once you apply, you get a conditional offer, you can go to the bank, produce that one, work on your financials if it is a loan or something like that. So because the process also takes somewhere around 15 to 30 working days till you get your loan letter, they will be asking a lot of documents and all. So from the offer letter to the visa, to make your process smooth, you apply as soon as possible. If you have the offer in hand, you'll have enough time so that you can accordingly arrange everything, like your financials, then write for your IELTS scorecard. IELTS, get the scorecard, send financials and the scorecard to the university to get the unconditional offer, then produce your financials, get your COE, then immediately we can apply for the visa.
Great. Perfect. So thank you guys for joining in. And if you guys need any help, there is a link in the description through which you guys can connect with us. Share this video with your friends who are also planning to study in group of 8 universities in Australia. If you have any questions, queries, suggestion, recommendation, then do not hesitate to write it in the comment section or put it on the WhatsApp, which for which the link is there in the description. Thank you for joining in, and we shall see you guys tomorrow again with another topic and with another country Be come prepared with all your questions, and we shall see you tomorrow in the live at 5 p.m. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.